Good morning, friends. My name is Miss Pam. I'm from Imagine Children's Museum, and I'm so glad you decided to join me again for a little science lab. Today, we have the chance to make our very own weigh scale from things at home, and we are going to do some testing of things that are heavy and some things that are light. Last week, we talked about things that stay on top of the water. Do you remember the word? Float. You're right. And things that when they go to the bottom of the water, they sink. Yeah, we talked about float and sink. And last week, I had a golf ball and a plastic ball. They look pretty similar, but one is heavier and one is lighter. We found that sometimes when the heavy things, you put them in water, they will, you're right, go to the bottom of the water. It sank. It's heavy, it sank. What about our light one? What do you think is going to happen to our light ball? You think so? Let's give it a try. Whoops. You're right, it's floating right on top of the water. So I am wondering if we use our heavy ball and our light ball and we put them in our scale, what do you think will happen? Should we make our scale first? All right, let's do that. So you're going to need your hanger and 4 feet of string, and what you do first is you are going to tie one end of the string through the cup holes. Just put them through. You're going to tie a little knot so that it stays on there. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side of the string. You're going to work it through the cup hole, and you're going to tie it so that you've got 2 cups on your string, one on each end. And then you're going to thread your string through the hanger so that the hanger is going to be your scale. So what we're going to do, I just put mine through here like this. And you can hang it on a doorknob and it will work perfectly for you. So I have mine hanging right here. And I want to start. I have 2 golf balls. So these are 2 heavy balls. I have a light one and 2 heavy balls. 1 golf ball. What do you think is going to happen to my cups when I put the golf ball in the cup? What's going to happen to the cup? Let's find out. Here we go. Oh, do you notice that one end went down and one end went up? Yeah. So which one is the heavy end? This is the heavy end. You're right. And which end is the light end? Yeah, it's the empty one. Should we put the other golf ball in there? What do you think is going to happen to our cups when I put the golf ball, the second golf ball, in the other cup? Shall we find out? All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Oh my! Look at those cups. Is one lower than the other? They're pretty close to equal. They probably weigh pretty close to the same amount. I have my plastic ball, my ping pong ball. Should we give it a try and see what happens? Let's predict my lighter plastic ball is going to go in this cup. What's going to happen to our cup when we put it in there? Should we find out? Let's weigh it and see how our weighs go. Oh my goodness! It stayed up there. Which side is lighter? The plastic ball has the lighter side, and the golf ball is heavier. You're right. So I have some other items, some other tools that we can test to see if they are heavy or light. So let's leave our 1 golf ball in there we're going to see if we can do some comparing. We're going to compare. We compared our golf ball to our plastic ball, and the plastic ball was lighter. I've got 3 crayons. I found these around the house. I'm going to test them in my cup, in my other cup. Do you think it's going to be heavier or lighter than my golf ball? Let's find out. Oh, what do you notice about our cup of crayons? It did go down a little bit. Are they equal? Are they level? No, no. This one is lighter. You're right. You're right. Let's try another thing. I have a car. Do you think it's going to be heavier or lighter than my golf ball? Let's find out. Do you think it'll fit in there? Oh, let's try the other end. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, what happened? This is a little bit heavier. This one's lower than our golf ball. I think you're right. I think our truck is a little bit heavier. You can examine things around the house and find out which things are heavier or lighter. I'm wondering if you can predict, I have a little cup of rocks. I'm wondering if you can predict how many rocks we should put in to make them level with the golf ball. How many rocks? I'm predicting 5. Let's count out 5 rocks. 1, 2, 3. Are they level yet? 3, 4. Oh my goodness! Miss Pam predicted 5, but it only took 4 rocks to make them level. How many rocks can you find to make your things be level? Look around your house and test your items and see which is lighter and which is heavier. Thanks for joining me again. We'll see you next time.